Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is January 23rd, 2023, of course, and it is Monday. And this is a trade that I took today. Even though I said I am not going to be doing trades to show here. I really wanted to use the simulator. I want to paper trade to show you guys things that I've learned, just to show you that beginning traders, if you have patience, discipline, and a strategy, you can learn to trade and you can be profitable. But I still maintain that trading is not something that you want to jump into. You don't want to just follow anyone, but you can learn things online, and that will kind of curb that learning curve. So this is one that I jumped into today. And so I made a lot of notations on here because when I was learning to trade, I wanted to know exactly what was where the price was going and how much the price was at a certain point. So you can see here that in that first notation, it says, I did a WL put because of bearish engulfing, the bearish engulfing that it's pointing to. And if you don't know some of those terms, just let me know below and I'll go over some of those terms with you. And I did that. Now that WL, I did not get in that trade. That WL means watch list. So I just put it on my watch list to see what the price was going to do. And then I quickly noticed that price reversed. It started to go up. And had I been in that trade, the second green candle, where there's a WL and it says WL put, that is where I would have gotten out, or you should have gotten out of that trade. So I just continued to watch the price, and I actually did enter. And like I said, I wasn't, planning. That's not the intention of this channel, but I did actually enter the trade here. It says entered here, and I entered because price opened above the previous close of the candle before it, right? So I just entered there, and I bought an inexpensive option, and I just rode it up. So I'm going to get in a little bit closer, so I hope it's clear. And I made some more notations that we can go over later, like the notation that says price is coming back here. When I noticed that candle, I knew to watch for price action to eventually come back to that space. And there's some more indicators on here too that we can go over at a later time. But I just kind of wanted to show you what this trade did. So I entered here and I rode this trade up to here where it says sold for $176 profit. So I got out right at that red candle when it started retracing. And when I got out, it started to shoot back up, and it literally went to $237. Had I stayed in, I would have that. But that's okay because, again, I'm learning to trade. And sometimes, when you're learning to trade, there's a saying that says, when you see money, take money. The other one is don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. That alone will cost you your purse. That alone will cost you your purse. So I took the $176 profit, and then I just watched the chart, the price action for the rest of the day, so I could make notations for you guys on here. So it says I'm watching price on my phone to list for my YouTube friends. I'm at my limit for day trade, so I can't enter anymore until tomorrow when one will open. So again, you only get 3 day trades or else you'll be flagged. And I only had one that I could use today. So I couldn't have gotten back into this trade even if I wanted to. And then I have some other notations, but I just wanted you to see where price went. It went from 237 and it went down to 141, and then it started climbing back up 174, and then it dropped down. I wasn't at my phone at that time, so I'm not sure quite how low that went, but looked pretty low. And then it went to 149, as you can see. and it just kept climbing. It just kept climbing. And this price went up to $282. So had I stayed in the trade, I would have gotten somewhere up into the 250s. I probably would have sold around 250 when it started coming down, right in there. Yeah. And but you know what, like I said, you're learning. You don't know everything, what to watch for. You just don't know. So it's like, take the money. Okay, the money is there, take the money. So it went to 282, and then I'm going to show you the time down here. So let me move the chart, boom, 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 and I'm going to show you that as the day went on, it continued to go down, 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 and it eventually went all the way down to negative $6. That's what that is. So there's a time, you get in the trade, you come out at the proper points, whatever your price targets are, and you never hold a trade too long. You never want to go red. If you're green, you don't want to be red. And if it price drops suddenly and you are red, you want to be out before you're like 20% is like the deepest you want to go. So guys, this is just a quick trade that I wanted to show you guys, and I'll show you more, but I'll be in the simulator just to show you the strategy and other things that you can practice and just start practicing on your own. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and please hit the subscribe button, the like, the notification bell, and share this video. That would be great. And please comment below.